Hail and welcome, my friends, and welcome to Medieval Cooking and More. I'm your host, Don Nislin. I know it's been a while since we've spoken, but my accident 2 years ago has sidelined me from doing anything much more than reposting some very interesting things on the Middle Ages. But during that time, we've had some good news and some setbacks, but all in all, we've done pretty good. As of today, we are known in 43 different countries on 7 continents. We are steadily growing. We have dropped in the last few days. So don't know if people have just gotten bored and decided to eliminate the group, or they've dropped out of Facebook. I don't know. I do know a few people have dropped out of Facebook that were friends of mine. But all in all, we are progressing, and we are returning to the kitchen very shortly. My accident 2 years ago has left me a bit incapacitated, so I brought in some extra help, and as soon as I have had a chance to practice with a few recipes with them, we'll start back up on at least a video a month. Meanwhile, I'm sitting here with a nice ice cold glass of horchata, which is at least 2,000 years old, and it came out of Africa. The Romans liked it. They spread it through Europe. The Moors brought it into Africa during the Conquista, and today it's spread all over the world in various forms. I'll be doing a report on that, so you can all enjoy this wonderful, flavorful drink. Also in front of me is a very ancient game called Albuquerque. It is, its origins are a bit hidden. There have been Albuquerque boards found in India, Persia, etched into the floor of castle battlements for the knights that were bored or didn't want to pay attention to the job. But we'll explore Albuquerque. Also in another video, show you the basic the steps. And by the way, it is the ancestor of checkers. So within the next month, we'll start in with a few more recipes. I've gotten a hold of 40 different sauces. That is 40 different green sauces, plus at least 2 dozen more. So we'll start with some sauces and then move on up into the meats and vegetables, and preparing a simple feast for you folks at home. So until we meet again, I bid you adieu.